Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up PayPal for Twitch donations. The easiest and most secure method involves using paypal.me. This personalized link simplifies the giving process for your viewers and keeps your personal financial information private. It ensures a smooth transaction every time, giving both you and your community peace of mind. Getting this set up takes only a few simple steps, and you will be ready to go in just a few minutes. First, navigate to the paypal.me website in your web browser. You will then either log into your existing PayPal account or create a new one if you do not have one already. Next, choose a unique and memorable link name for your profile, like paypal.me/yourchannelname. This personalizes your link and makes it easy for viewers to remember and access. Be sure to pick something that clearly represents your brand. Once you have your paypal.me link, log in to your Twitch account. Go to your channel page, then click on the Edit Panels button. Select the option to add a new panel, choosing either a text or image panel. Paste your paypal.me link into the designated URL field and add a clear call to action, perhaps with an appealing graphic. This makes it highly visible to your viewers and encourages them to support your content. Always test your new donation link by clicking it yourself to ensure it redirects correctly to your paypal.me page. Consider setting a minimum donation amount, such as $1 or $5, to manage microtransactions. Most importantly, always express genuine gratitude to your viewers for their support. A simple thank you goes a long way in building a strong community and showing appreciation for their generosity, strengthening your connection with your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.